Digital marketer, I'm learning new things every day. Quite exciting. But if you're looking to be monetized on YouTube and you need to be authenticated, we struggle in South Africa to get authenticated. So I'm going to show you quickly, step by step, on how to get authenticated. Guys, you need to do this before you start posting any content onto YouTube. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck when you need to authenticate and you are going to have to delete your account like I did. So here is the step by step. Once your account is created, you're going to go to the top right hand corner to this A, or it's going to be B, C, or whatever the beginning of your alphabet is, of your name. You're then going to go to settings at the bottom. It is then going to bring you up this screen. You are then going to say you want the channel status and features. Click on channel status and features. It's going to bring you up this screen where it's going to say settings. You are going to go to feature eligibility, and this is everything you need to do to authenticate this account. So you're going to go to the second one. It's going to say verify phone number. You're then going to go and put your phone number in here. And you're going to go say next. It will bring you up to a screen where it's going to give you send a verification message to your phone. 330916. Type it in here, that verification code. And submit. Then you're going to go then back to the first one because it's taking you out there. You will see it says enabled. Then you're going to go to the second one. You're going to go down and access features. Guys, you need to use your ID. Click on that and go next. You're going to say get email. It's going to send me an email. I'm going to take a photo of your ID. So guys, once you have sent the photo of your ID, it takes about 24 hours for them to do the verification and authenticate your account. I hope this really helps you guys. Have a good day.